So today's video, I'm going to be looking at glow-in-the-dark powders, and I want to know if I can use them as I do mica powders by brushing them on things and allowing them then to have a clear coat of resin over the top but still glow in the dark or have some effect. Now, I know I can with mica powder, as I've done a video on that and I've been using that for a long time, and if you want to check out that mica powder video, great results, have a look up there and just click that little link. And also, if you want to see how I made this mold, which is really easy and it's going to be very popular, then also there's a video as well on how to make molds and how to make this mold specifically, and how to just make great molds that you can use. So check that video out too. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be choosing glow-in-the-dark powders, and I've got these ones here, and I will put the links to everything I use in my description, as I always do, to help people out. And I'm going to brush them on quite thickly with a brush and then see how it goes using just the brush, and then if they glow at night, we will find out. I will do all the brushing and the painting on in fast forward, so you don't have to sit through me just doing that. So I brushed that on, as you saw, and now I'm going to pour my resin on top. I really do hope these work out, because they'll look great on Christmas trees and different bits and pieces that I want them for. So I'm really hoping these work out, but I do find that normally you need quite a lot of the glow-in-the-dark powder to make them anything glow, but we will see. I mean, even if they just colour and glow a little bit, that'll be great. I love these, and I think they're gonna look great on the tree. And these feathers, these little feathers, I'm gonna actually start making into pendants, and I will show you how I do that in a different video, and how you can take resin that you've already cast and turn it into something else. So there we go. Now there are a few little micro bubbles in this, but I'm not too bothered about that at the moment, because this is just an experiment. Although if they work out, I'm going to be really, really pleased. So we will come back to this when it's cured and dark, and we'll see if it glows. So these have cured now with the glowing powder. I'm really excited about these. I so hope they work. So yeah, they do look fairly nice. The feathers come out nice. And that one I used the transparent pigment for. So just did some colour on his eyes and buttons. I'm pleased how they've come out. So now we need to see if they're going to glow. So I'm going to turn the lights off and then we'll see. So there we go. We can definitely make glow in the dark resin pieces for perhaps Christmas, Halloween, people's birthdays, or whatever you want to use them for, by brushing on the pigment. And you can then get different colours rather than just all one colour. I'm really pleased with how this comes out. I'm not sure if you're aware how pleased I am. I absolutely love it. So there we go. Let me turn the lights back on. Another really great experiment. I love it. It's thankfully something has gone right this week, because my eyebrows have gone. I knocked a pot of resin over yesterday, and I mixed a load of resin up as well yesterday and forgot to put the hardener in it. I mean, oh come on, shouldn't I know better than that? What is going on with me? And then the video I released today on how to do a free form, which you can find in my videos, has done really badly, even though the comments on it are really good. So thankfully something has gone wrong. Right. So thank you very much indeed. I'm glad you got to this, and I'm glad it worked. Please leave me a comment if you like this, and join my Facebook group, How to Resin with Steve McDonald, and I'll see you soon. Bye.